Celebrity Cruises has announced their 28-29 ocean season, and we're going to talk about some of the highlights right now. Let's go. Hey everyone, John here from Byte Cruises. Welcome back to the channel. If you are brand new here, simply we're a travel agency. We do all the homework and research on cruising so that you don't have to. We're here to help you book your amazing cruise vacation. Today, we're going to talk a little bit about Celebrity. They announced their 28-29 ocean season. Let's get into what I think are some of the highlights. One, 4 Edge-class ships are going to be in Europe during this season. This is crazy. It's the most they've ever sent over there. We have Celebrity Beyond coming back to Europe for the first time since 2023. Going to go through some of the brand new sailings. One on Beyond, you're going to be able to do 7 to 14 night sailings throughout the Scandinavian region from Southampton to Norway, Iceland, and throughout. You on Apex are going to be able to do Scandinavia on 12 night sailings. These are going to be going to Oslo, Skagen, Stockholm, Estonia, Helsinki, and Copenhagen. And then they're going to be doing 12 night sailings on Apex in the British Isles, going to Scotland, Ireland, England, and Celebrity's first ever visit to Galway, Ireland, which is great. For the Mediterranean, if you're interested in that, you're going to have your choice of 3 ships here. Actually 4 total. You're going to get Excel, Ascent, and Eclipse are going to be doing 7 to 11 night sailings to Italy, France, Spain, Morocco, Portugal, Greece, and Turkey. And then Celebrity Constellation is going to be giving you Italy and Croatia on 10 and 11 night sailings. If you've never been to Croatia, you must go. It's a must-go trip. I think it's better than Greece. So Celebrity Infinity is going to be doing all year in Europe, including Celebrity's first return to Egypt since 2023, which is good news. You're going to be doing overnights in Alexandria, which is amazing. And then during the shoulder season, Infinity is going to be doing Athens, going to Santorini, Kavala, Rhodes, Mykonos, and Ephesus. And then, of course, you're going to have tons of opportunities to do Alaska and Hawaii. So there are going to be 3 Celebrity ships doing this in 2028. And I think one of them is really exciting. Here's what we got. We have Edge returning for a 5th season to Alaska. And Equinox will sail out of Alaska for the first time with 7-night open jaw sailings, which are going one way between Vancouver and Seward. And then Celebrity Millennium is going to be doing round trip from Vancouver, which is kind of like your standard dip your toes into Alaska cruise. Guests on the Celebrity Equinox can extend their trip with obviously a cruise tour, land-based as well, and you could stay in lodges and travel along places in Anchorage, Talkeetna, and Denali, which of course you can go to Denali National Park. Here's what I think is the really exciting one. If you would like a warmer getaway and you are on the West Coast, we don't have a lot of opportunities on the West Coast, you could take Celebrity Equinox is going to be doing round trip sailings from Los Angeles to Hawaii. So you get to do a little trans-Pacific from LA to Hawaii. Let's talk about some of the other, what I think are pretty good highlights. We have a bunch of cruises now from Sydney and Auckland on Edge and Solstice, which is really, really nice. There's not a ton of opportunity again in Australia. It's a growing cruise market. They're getting some extra ships now, and you will get a full season exploring on Solstice in Japan from April to October, and then winter sailings throughout Southeast Asia on Solstice. And you will get Millennium is going to be doing South America, 12 to 16 night itineraries. That's amazing. And then you're going to get your short season of Bermuda, which is basically end of April through September to Bermuda from New Jersey, and also Canada, New England from Boston. So most of these are going to be on sale very soon. Summer 2028 Japan is on sale now. Europe, Bermuda, Canada, New England, and all of the other summer sailings are going to open up in August 25 of 2026. So just a few days away, a little more than a week. And then Alaska, Hawaii, South America will open on September 1st. Australia and then the winter Asia sailings are going to open on September 29th of 2026. We are here to help you with all of your Celebrity cruise vacations. We will have group space on a lot of these cruises, which means that the rates will be locked in as to what they are when they are released. So even if you wait a little bit and the prices go up on Celebrity, we'll have some great rates on these. We do a live stream every Saturday where we talk about some group space and some great deals that we have. So check that out Saturday mornings, 11 a.m. Eastern time. And again, if you need any help booking your Celebrity cruise or any other cruise vacation for that matter, please shoot me an email at jp@bitesizecruises.com, or you can give us a call at 484-493-4482, where you can talk to me or any of our amazing cruise travel agents. Thanks so much for watching today. If you have any questions at all, please comment below or shoot us an email. Thank you so much. Happy cruising, and bye.